we've forgotten how to rest. And sometimes I have to remind myself to rest. And coming together and bringing people together to be in an energy where we can release and let go and find spaciousness again in our minds and our bodies is so important that I have called this sacred rest as one of my experiences. That's a good hug. Stress, busyness, pressure, noise, expectation.
Rest for me is anything that recharges my batteries, anything that really just drops me into a calmer space where I feel more expansive and like I can breathe again.
So sound to me really means an opportunity to tap into the unknown.
Sometimes living as humans in survival mode with all this stress and not enough sleep and not enough care, and maybe not enough people who are supporting that, can actually make us feel like things are more impossible than they need to be.
All this tension. Letting it go. I'm okay.
Clarity.
Self-mastery.
Elevated. Yes to me.
I think at the end of the day, that's what everyone is looking for and craving. A peace of mind, but a peace of body and a peace in our energies that we can go and create things we want to create.
Thank you so much.